Witchcraft and nature go hand in hand. They are intertwined, two sides of the same coin. Nature is a source of power and magic, a place where we can connect with the divine. And what better place to experience this connection than in the heart of the woods? Forests have always held a special place in the human heart. They are places of mystery and wonder, where the veil between worlds feels thin. The air hums with unseen energy. The trees whisper secrets to those who listen. It's no wonder that forests have long been associated with magic and witchcraft. When we step into the woods, we step out of the mundane and into the magical. The forest welcomes us with open arms, inviting us to shed our worries and embrace the wildness within. Here, surrounded by the raw beauty of nature, we can truly tap into our power. Why are woods and forests so ideal for practicing witchcraft? It's all about energy. Trees are powerful beings, radiating life force and ancient wisdom. Imagine feeling the rough bark of an oak, its strength seeping into you. Or standing amongst a grove of birches, their silvery energy cleansing your aura. The forest is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells, each one stimulating our senses and deepening our connection to nature. Look for the symbolism woven through the woods, a twisted root resembling a witch's gnarled hand, a heart-shaped leaf whispering of love. But the forest isn't just about energy, it's also a treasure trove of magical ingredients. Herbs for healing, stones for grounding, and wood for wands are all readily available. Gathering these items ourselves connects us even deeper to the magic we are creating. The forest provides everything a witch needs for their craft. Take a walk and breathe in the fresh air. Find a secluded spot and meditate, allowing the forest's peace to calm your mind. This is how you connect with nature's magic. Look around for herbs like chamomile for calming or rosemary for protection. Learn to identify them, harvest them with respect, and dry them for future use. You'll be amazed by the potency of forest-gathered ingredients. Feel drawn to a particular tree? Spend time with it, feeling its energy. Oaks are associated with strength and protection. Willows with healing and intuition. Choose a fallen branch to craft into a wand, a powerful tool imbued with the tree's essence. The woods offer more than just energy and supplies. They provide a sanctuary. Here, hidden amongst the trees, we can be ourselves, free from the judgments and distractions of the outside world. This privacy is essential for practicing witchcraft openly and honestly. We can cast spells, hold rituals, and connect with the divine without fear or interruption. The woods become our sacred space, a temple built by nature itself. For centuries, witches have sought refuge and empowerment in forests. It's in our blood, this connection to the wild. By embracing the magic of the woods, we tap into that ancient power, remembering our place in the web of life. So, step into the forest, breathe deep, and reclaim your wild, witchy heart.